Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up UX writing patterns for better forms in Typeform, beginner guide step by step clearly. To set up effective UX writing patterns for better forms in Typeform, begin by identifying your target audience. Understanding your users will help shape your language and tone. Next, outline the main objectives of your form. What information do you need to gather? Once you have clarity on your objectives, choose a friendly and approachable tone. This tone should resonate with your audience. Now, create a clear and concise introduction for your form. This introduction should explain the purpose of the form and encourage users to participate. As you design your form, focus on using simple language. Avoid jargon or complex terms that may confuse your users. When writing questions, frame them in a way that is easy to understand. Keep your questions direct and to the point. Use active voice to make your writing more engaging. For example, instead of asking, "Is your email correct?" you could say, "Please confirm your email." Incorporate context in each question if necessary. Providing additional information can help guide the user. As you move through the form, maintain consistency in your language. This helps create a cohesive experience for the user. After drafting your questions, review them for clarity and brevity. Eliminate any unnecessary words or phrases. Ensure that your calls to action are clear and inviting. For example, instead of submit, consider using send my responses. Remember to use placeholders in fields to guide users. For instance, in an email field, use example@example.com as a guide. Finally, conduct user testing on your form. Gather feedback on the clarity of your questions and overall experience. Use this feedback to make adjustments and improve your form. By following these steps, you can create user-friendly forms in Typeform that enhance the overall experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.